Armpit stains and chemicals. Let's see if we can get these pit stains out of this t-shirt. Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Now, if you've kept up with my channel, the happenings on my channel, then you would have seen that I've been losing a little weight. Old fat Ryan's been losing weight, and I've been able to pull out clothes that I used to wear 4 years ago, when I was a smaller version of Ryan, and I'm getting there. And one of these shirts that I've pulled out of retirement is this Nike shirt. Now, again, if you've paid attention to my channel, you'll see that I don't own a dryer. This is my washroom setup, just a washing machine. Now, my setup on this t-shirt is armpit stains. We've got some LA's Totally Awesome. This stuff, it has no acid, no ammonia, no bleach, non-flammable. I don't know what this stuff is made of, but it is good to clean any and everything. We can clean tire rims, we can clean armpit stains, okay? So we're gonna spray this shirt down. Well, as soon as we open it, we're gonna spray this shirt down with some LA's Totally Awesome. $1 holler. We're gonna let that sit. Don't forget about that other armpit stain because they're both staining. Just spray it on like so. I love this stuff. What is this stuff made of? I have no idea. It's got to be some type of acid. Now we're gonna try some LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Orange Base Cleaner, chlorine free. We're gonna put that in the wash. We're also going to use those Arm & Hammer OxiCleans. Bleach will make your clothes weak. We're not going to use bleach. We're trying to avoid bleach. We're trying to use just Dollar Tree LA's Totally Awesome. Hit that temperature with the hot. Throw a pack of that Arm & Hammer in there. Give yourself a little scoop. Pop that top. Boop. You know the rest. Dump that in there. We're going to put it on a power wash, which is going to give it 2 soaking cycles. I'm going to hope for the best, man. I'm trying to wear this shirt to the gym now, but I don't want to be armpit guy. So here we go. The wash is done. I'm going to take a look at these armpit stains. Did we help these pit stains? You don't want to be embarrassed. Still got a little stain there. Gross. Ryan, you're a disgusting person. What about that other armpit? Still got some stain on there. What is the deal? What is coming out of my armpits that leaves stains like this? I have no idea. It helped a little. I don't know what combo package of chemicals gets armpit stains out of clothes, but if you have white clothes and you have pit stains but you get them clean, leave a comment. Let me know. What am I supposed to do here? How do I get these stains out of my armpits in these white shirts? White clothing I don't usually wear. Let me know. Ryan for Silly Reviews.